So on the back of our carport was a makeshift chicken coop that the previous renters had made. There wasn't much to it, just a couple wood boxes screwed to the wall for nest boxes and 2 sticks in the corners for the roost. And also the outside was quite the eyesore with a plywood board for a wall and a chain link gate to get inside. I'm going to be using old salvaged lumber that I had saved from a burned pile. And the first project for this makeover is building a door for the chicken coop. I cut out 6 boards to the same length and laid them out. And then cut out a couple other boards to tie them all together, and then a middle board as well. And I nailed and screwed these all together. I used a spray gun and painted the side of the carport a light gray color to match our house. Now it's time to get this door up, and I bought some hinges from the hardware store. They were silver, but I painted them black just because the silver hinges were cheaper than the already black ones. Next, I had to remove this plywood piece that was on the wall for the chicken coop, and I had a hard time getting it down, but I was finally able to get it off. And now it's time to hang the door, which my hubby Ovi helped me out with. Then we removed the chain link gate and started building a wall in its place. I added some trim pieces to the top and bottom and then painted everything the same color as the carport. Now it's time to address these old chicken nest boxes. I started removing all the screws that I could get to, and I just had a hard time finding all of them, and I ended up just breaking it into pieces because I could not find the screws holding them into place. Now it's time to build some new pretty nest boxes, and I cut some boards to size and made this little square box. And then added these cute little pieces to the front and added some roofing to make it into a barn shape. Next, I'm going to be making a base to put these nest boxes onto. I screwed the boxes onto the base, and then I built some legs for them. Then I built this little chicken step ladder type thing for the chickens to get up into the nest boxes. Then I started cutting a bunch of boards to size, and I'm going to be nailing them onto the upper half of the wall to cover this old ugly plywood. So I salvaged this old tin that was on a little old building that we had on the property. A tree had fallen on the building and demolished it, so I was able to salvage the tin from it, and I'm going to be using it for the bottom half of the wall. Then I brought in my new chicken nest box. We built a new roosting ladder for the chickens, and I added some decor. now complete with this makeover and just a quick reminder of what the coop used to look like. And here it is now. I really love how it turned out. It looks so much better and it's so much easier to get into the coop and get the eggs and water and feed the chickens. And I even think the chickens like their new nest boxes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are not already a subscriber to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in a later video.